Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is October STL Patreon. I believe it is part 6. No, part 5. It is part 5. We'll be looking at STL, D&D, Warhammer Proxy, War Tabletop, and anime figures, video game figures as well for your 3D prints for your upcoming project. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and a link down below as well. Uh, we are going to be doing this huge change format that'll be up on the Wednesday video. I am trying to get a avatar, so when I do these kind of things, you see an actual avatar of me on the bottom right or whatever it's going to be, and looking at the Patreon with you guys, be more interactive with that as well. Well, now let's start it. We got Lola Des Studio. These are figures, and I believe you gotta pay to see what's coming up, and I'm not doing that. That's one thing I don't really do. I don't pay you to see a preview of what you're offering for me to buy. So that is me. So this is September 11th. So this guy hasn't done anything seriously. These are pretty good models too, the succubus and everything. Let's see what the next one is. Lut Mucha Studio. This is, I believe, figures ones as well. The last time they said was Gul'dan, and sometime, yeah, Gul'dan, but nothing yet for this one. So we have to probably come back for this one later on down the road. A lot of stuff for some reason, and like literally past the mid of the month, they don't have much stuff out because a lot of times they usually send it towards the end. The Maker's Cult. It is a Warhammer proxy. This is October part 1, so this is 30k. I think we did see this one. But yeah, this is a 30k, Warhammer 30k if you're interested in it. Just have the one to play it with for 30k. So some of the stuff are cool, but it is what it is. Clay Beast Creation. This is for Age of Sigmar proxies for it as well. So we have ogres on war bears, looks like it. But yeah, or beast on war bears, and you got your your wolves and a whole bunch of, and you got some little demons with them as well. Let me see here. Yep, demons. That's all you're gonna get for them. Still, I think we actually done a lot of these ones, I would say. Because I am seeing, but we'll go over it, some of them really quickly. Stivol Sculpt, another figure as well. That's November. We got the Bride of Frankenstein, that's coming up. That's for that. Blue Raven, it is the Rat Folk. We did look at that. 3D Verse Studio. We are probably gonna have these for welcome pack. Female Hellboy looks pretty damn sexy. But I don't see anything for October for this one, so I have to come back for that. Sin 3D Studio, another anime figure. This one just came out. This is for the High School of the Dead, one of the girls. I wish they made her boobs bigger because her boobs were bigger in the anime. Let's see here. Saya and Marina. Who's Marina? Oh, this is Marina. So we'll be working on this as well. Raven Eye. I think we already done this. So Halloween pack. You got a Kirby Ghost and Kirby Shy Guy. That'll be coming up for it. I think there'll be more. G Sculpt. We have Harley Quinn, but that's from last month. Nelson Textura Tegiorno. This one does the anime video game figures. It's just that it looks very childish with the head. So if you're interested in that kind of artwork, go for it. I wish to have a normal looking head for it, but there's more. Morgan. Merge Project figure. So we have Hades and his goons. Looks like it. Let's see, a new collection of what? I'm guessing this is going to be a project. Game of Kingdom Hearts. Because I have too much of everything else. Beast Mode Miniatures. I don't think we've done this one. So we have Succubus from August. And nothing new. Legion. Nothing new from them as well from August. Nation Rodura 3D Studio. Another figure. This is October. Looks like some type of Halloween theme figure. The quality is not that great. Oh, so it's not Morgana. From the Addams Family. I forgot her name was Morticia. I think that's what it is, and that was released in May. So not good. Not a good start on number 5. Rodan Studio. We have one of the Vice Admiral for One Piece. October, and we'll have I think this is Bardock. That's just Goku's brother. I believe that's Bardock. Is you might refresh my Dragon Ball Z memories because it's been so long. Okay, what is going to be for this August, September? Nothing for October yet. Syncs 3D, Syncs Design. So we have Ghost Rider that's coming up soon. That looks pretty damn cool. I'll actually print this in red or orange resin, like translucent resin. Then paint the body so the flames will be translucent. And you can do a lot more of paint streak on it. So I think that's it. I think that and Top Gun. Didn't really care for Top Gun. It's one of my dad's movie. 3D printing realm. Available on Patreon. Okay. Let me see. 3D printing realm. I think it's just female prints. We got one already. Lord of Prince. I think I already did Lord of Prince, but I can show you what they have right now for October very quickly. Oh, this is just the home. Oopsie daisy. Okay, let's go to home. Let's go see what's next on the list. I think that's pretty much it that we have right now. Shouldn't be on it. That had a lot more. I think this is it. Probably not. I think we... Well, actually, no, we didn't really go through this one. So we'll do this one. Goddamn, see? Confusing already. We have plenty of more. Domo miniatures that are Warhammer proxy as well. And for this, we can't see anything for October. But we have this. Looks like a barbarian. Forge, Cyberforge miniature. I think we did see this one, but it's good to revisit a lot. Some of the stuff is good if you do sci-fi. They do have some Tyranids if you need them or not, but there are better looking Tyranids than those. Let's see here. Skull Hunters set for Pizzinski's miniature. Very good miniatures. They have their own word tabletop as well. You can get that for them. So you got Dishonor, we got Elder, Woven Skull Hunter, another Predator. Getting a lot of Predators. Woven Skull Hunter. Trying to get their monthly stuff. Xenosaurus, Beastmaster. trying to download it. I'm trying to freaking see their whole set. Let's see. Visual guides. They usually have the whole set and everything, but looks like we don't get that today. There we go, October preview. So a lot of Predators looks like it that we are going to be getting. Usually we just click and play, but I guess not. That is very weird. Here we go. More Predators. I do want to look at some of the sci-fi ones for this as well, but that's one of those things like I don't want to pay $1 to see the whole thing, but so this is basically what we're going to have. On the left is the sci-fi one that you're going to get for Cyberpunk one. These are old school anime. They use the dragon heart to make into the bug and stuff like that. Well, anyhow, that'll be it for today for part 5. We'll be doing part 6 pretty soon on Thursday. Thank you guys very much. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our links down below. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.